Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Goa facing fish crisis, prices steeply inflated as fish import from neighbouring states stopped abruptly. Local fish sellers severely hit. Armed Goinkar agitated. Goa police counting on Mickey Pacheco to surrender after they failed to arrest him. Police hope Mickey will surrender in Delhi court. Blame game starts within government departments on Hospicio darkness fiasco. Health department blames GSIDC medical superintendent. Vaccination to control Kyasanur disease to start on Wednesday. Stock of 2,000 anti-KFT vaccines arrives. Vaccination drive in Pali and surrounding areas. And HSIDC and Income Tax Pune get off to winning start in All India Volleyball. RCF Mumbai suffer second consecutive defeat. Now the news in detail. Goa is facing sudden and acute fish crisis. The market prices of fish went up after fish import to the state was stopped as a fallout of clash between Goan and Malwan fishermen. Also, the rift between Kutbona boat owners and the Goa fish wholesalers and agents in Margao is deepening. The fish sellers have been severely hit. The crisis has left Goinkar craving for fish. Many of them preferred leaving markets empty-handed.
Kutbona fishermen have turned aggressive following a clash with their Malwan counterparts. They had returned the truckload of fish from Malwan on Monday. The move agitated the wholesalers and agents in Margao market. Following the episode, Goa witnessed scarcity of fish on Tuesday. The prices of available fish for sale got sharply inflated following supply crisis. Many Goans opted to leave the markets without the fish.
5 दीस ना म्हणटा 5 दीस धंदो बंद हिंग चड येना नुस्तें भायले नुस्तें आमी हे करता यूज करता
मार्केटान नुस्तेंच ना भायले येवच ना न्ही गोंयच कितले इले काबार जाले
हिंग खंय नुस्तें आहा हिंग कितले ते लूट सारकी
अशें जाल्यार मुखार त्रास नुस्तें ना काय ना गरीब मनीस आमी कितें खावपाचें गोयल नुस्तें बंद केल्यार
हजार ते 1200 रुपया जालो आहा इतलो बाजार चडलो आहा आता हे दिसांनी आनी चड दीस बंद जाला आनी म्हारग जातले.
The Goa wholesale fish traders and agents have decided not to procure fish from neighbouring states as they feel insecure. Along with Margao markets in other parts of the state too got fish starved. Panji, Ponda and Mapsa too are facing acute fish crisis.
मडगावचे सदां चड येताले नुस्तें सवाय जातालें वयना येतालें होलसेल आयज येवंक ना कांय तेका लागून मारप जालें आयज नुस्तें
मातशें भायले येयल्यार सवाय कशें न्हू लोकांक खावंक घाता
आलरेडी मातशें म्हारग आहा न्ही म्हारग पात्रां खूब म्हारग आनी आमचे कडेन हॉटेल रेस्टॉरंट आहा म्हणून आतां म्हारग ना नुस्तेंच ना सगळ्यो रेटी वाडलेल्यो आसा
800 रुपया किलो आतां 200 रुपया पयलीं 350
सरकारान हेजेर कितें करचें ती जे केस्तावले न्हू ती केस्तावचे हे करून लोकां खातीर कितें तरी करचें आनी बेगिने बेगीन करचें हेजेर.
Kutbona boat owners have alleged that agents are just running behind money.
These agents have become a mafia like now that they are सगळ्या लोकांक त्रास करपाक सोदतात आमचे अंदा आर्मान 2 ते हार मारपाक सोदतात ते सांगूंक सोदतात की तुमकां लागून नुस्तें म्हारग जालां म्हणून आनी ताका लागून तेंची स्कॅसिटी करपाक जाय नुस्तेवणी करपाक लागून हे आयडिया केल्या की 2 दीस बाजार बंद करपाक जाय आमी भायलें नुस्तेंचें हाडपाक बंद केलें ना आमी फकत स्पेसिफीक गांवचे मालवणचेंच नुस्तें येनाक म्हणून सांगलां.
आमी एक डिसिजन घेतलां कारण आमी सीएमाकूय मेळ्ळें आनी सीएमानी आमकां हेल्प केला हेल्प करता म्हणून सांगलां आनी मार्केट जो आसा मारगांव होलसेल मार्केट तो आमी आमच्या हातान घेवपाचो.
Kingfish prices were inflated from 400 to 500 rupees per kilo to 700 rupees per kg. Mackerels were costing 100 rupees for 3 pieces. The retail fisherwoman and the person selling fish on cycles were severely hit. Fisheries Minister has assured to call a meeting of the groups to resolve the issue.
We'll call a meeting. So by tomorrow also I will sit with them again and we'll come to a solution. This just infighting will not do. So somehow or the other we have to compromise somewhere and get everything back to normal. I will start the supply of fish in 2 weeks.
Meanwhile, the wholesale fish traders who stopped entire interstate fish procurement in Goa are demanding police security to start their business at Gudbona. Boat owners are aggressive against the fishermen and the fish traders from Malvan.
फिश कमिटी आहे. या कमिटीने जो या ठिकाणचे सिंधुदुर्गातील मच्छी उतरविण्यास त्या ठिकाणी मज्जाव केला आहे. ह्या मज्जाव आम्ही खपवून घेणार नाही. याच्या निषेधार्थ उद्या दिनांक 13 रोजी आम्हा मालवणातील संपूर्ण मासेमारी, मत्स्य विक्री या सर्व गोष्टी बंद राहतील. हे गोष्टी अशाच चालू राहिल्यास आम्ही तीव्र आंदोलन छेडल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही. मच्छीमारांना त्यांना न्याय आणि हक्क त्यांचा मिळवून दिल्याशिवाय आम्ही स्वस्थ बसणार नाही.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa police is now counting on Mickey Pacheco to surrender after they failed to arrest him. Goa police feels Mickey has no other legal option. Hence, he will surrender in a day or two. Goa police expects that Mickey may surrender before some court in Delhi.
Even after 24 hours of rejection of Mickey's application seeking time to surrender, Goa police has no clue of his whereabouts. But Goa police feel that Mickey could be hiding in Delhi. Inspector General of Goa Police Sunil Garg said Mickey was lodged in hotel in Delhi. Info to police from reliable sources. Day Margaon JMFC issued arrest warrant. Mickey checked out from Delhi hotel. Police feel that Mickey is still in Delhi. That's why one team of Goa police is stationed in Delhi. IG Sunil Garg said Mickey has not communicated with the department about his any surrender plan, but after rejection of Mickey's latest application by the Supreme Court, he has no option left but to surrender. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Government now points at the GSIDC for Hospicio power fiasco. Health Minister Francis D'Souza has held GSIDC responsible for the nightmare at the Hospicio on Sunday. When questioned by media, he said maintenance of Hospicio has been handed over to the GSIDC, but till now they have not appointed a contractor. Health Minister also blamed the medical superintendent for non-functioning of the generators. However, despite all clarifications, government has no contingency plan to tackle such crisis.
आता कितें केलां हॉस्पिटल काडला आनी GSIDC कडेन दिला मेंटेनन्साक आनी पयलीं ते PWD कडेन आसलें. आतां GSIDCन आजून पासून कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर घेवंक ना ते मेंटेनन्स पळोवपाक तांकां गावना मनीस ते दिसता म्हाका. म्हणटा ते मेरेन हे प्रॉब्लम जायत रावतले पूण परत परत जावं येता हे नवें हॉस्पिटल जावसर आमकां हे त्रास आहा.
पूण सर जनरेटराक घालपाक डिझल नासप हें कितपत योग्य म्हणटा
चुकीचें तें चुकीचें ते सुप्रिटेंडंट पळोवंक नासलें न्हू डिझल आहा की ना तें.
इमिजिएट सोल्युशन कितें न्यू हॉस्पिटल जाता म्हणल्यार
it will take place it will take time, but the fact is maintenance has been given to GSIDC now. The transition period is there now. The transition will create a small problem till they actually put contractors in place for annual maintenance. Dr. Pravan Sawataकडे उलयला आनी ताका सांगलें वेगळ्या जाग्यार घाला म्हणून ते somehow GSIDC हा ती ओवरबर्डन जाल्या. इफेक्टिवनेस मातशें कमी जाता म्हणजे कितें ते पहिले बरे कामां करताले पूण आतां चड कामां आसल्या कारणान मातशें ते स्लो डावन येयला तांकां.
Anti-burglary cell of Goa police was extorting money from a massage parlour. SP of the cell Karthik Kashyap in an internal inquiry has found PI Sandesh Chorankar and 6 constables guilty of extorting money. SP has recommended disbanding of the cell. 1 constable is suspended, whereas more suspensions are expected on Wednesday. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.